This video is to help you with subtracting mixed numbers with unlike denominators where you have to regroup to get the answer. So let's start with the problem 3 1/6 minus 1 2/3. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to make the denominators the same. You have to have the same denominator if you're going to be able to add or subtract. So I'm going to take that thirds, I'm going to multiply it by 2 halves, by 2 over 2, which is 1. So I'm not changing the value of it, I'm just changing what it looks like. So 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6. Now I have 4/6 here, so now I can subtract 1/6 minus 4/6. I can't do it. So I'm going to have to regroup. So I will take a 1 from that 3, and I'm going to write it right next to my 1/6. So now I have 1 1/6. Well, I need more sixths. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that 1, and I'm going to make it into 6/6. So I will add that 6/6 to the 1/6, and now I have 7/6. I regrouped, just like you do with a whole number. So 7/6 minus 4/6 is 3/6. And then when I do my whole numbers, I have 2 minus 1 is 1. So my answer is 1 3/6. I can also make that answer lower terms by dividing 3/6 by 3/3 and getting 1/2. So my answer is going to either be 1 3/6, which is not lowest terms, but it is a correct answer, or 1 1/2. Let's do another example. So this example is 3 2/5. And then we're going to subtract 1 9/15. So again, I have to make the denominators the same. And in this case, I'm going to turn the 5 into a 15 by multiplying, and I'm going to use 3. So I multiply by my 3/3 and I get 6/15. Now I have 6/15 minus 9/15, which I still can't do. I need to regroup. So I'm going to make that 3 into a 2, and I'm going to take the 1 that I took from that 3. I'm going to put it next to the 6/15, so it's 1 6/15. That 1 is equal to 15/15. I need more 15ths, so I'm going to make the 1 into whatever fraction I need it to be and what I need more of. So 15/15 and 6/15 is 21/15. And now I can subtract 21/15 minus 9/15 is 12/15. 2 minus 1 is 1. And again with this one, I can make that 12/15 lower terms. I can divide both numbers by 3, and then I'm going to get 4/5 for my fraction. So my answer can either be 1 12/15, which is not a lowest terms answer. So if you're looking for lowest terms, you have to remember to do that dividing at the end. If you make it lowest terms, it's going to be 1 4/5. In the last example, we'll take 3 1/2 and we'll subtract 1 5/7. Now in this case, I can't make the 2 into a 7 by multiplying. So I'm going to have to change both. I'm going to have to change both of my fractions. So I'm going to multiply the 2 by 7/7 and the 5/7 by 2/2. Because what it ends up happening in my next multiple of 7, since I can't change the 2 into a 7, the next multiple is 14, and I can change them both into 14, so that's what I did here. Multiplied, and I got 7/14 minus 10/14, which I cannot do. I need to regroup. I'm going to take that 1, put it next to it, and make it 1 7/14. So that 1 is 14/14. That's what I need more of, is 14ths. So I'll take that 1, the 14/14, and I'll add it to the 7/14. So now I have 21/14 minus 10/14, which I can do. That equals 11/14. 2 minus 1 is 1. In this case, I can't regroup. My only answer is, I cannot make it lower terms. My only answer is 1 11/14, and that's it.